it's, well, yeah, don't ask why.
Can I go like
Happy 4th of July! Oh my gosh. Do you think that? Don't do that for the camera. Oh my gosh. Ah, sprinklers!
This is like nice 4th of July, people.
They can't do the fireworks anymore. What was that?
Spend it. Happy 4th of July!
Stupid, go over to the sprinkler. Zoom in, zoom out. Yeah. Try this again. Vince! I love this.
These are bags of poppers. You can get these at Walmart too for $2. Stelmont Concrete and
Easter.
boom.
Boom! Ah! Okay, yeah, sorry about that. That's foot
Oh,
crank.
Ashton, you can't use them all.
Nope, don't use them all. Stop. Oh. Yeah, we said it. Oh! You almost got it. Okay, I think roll out. Are we?
You're getting popped. Who popped me?
Cheated. I'm all out. I love 4th of July. No! What? Oh my gosh, the rabbit. Okay, you can't see the rabbit. Okay, yeah.
Happy 4th of July.
Okay, yeah, I know what I'm doing. You're stupid. Where's the bag at?
There you have it.
Where is the bag?
Go away. No, you don't.
Don't. Showdown. Stop. Oh, my cheese. Okay, give me the bag back. Give me the freaking bag. Oh, no.
Let's wait for a cloud to run over.
Nah, oh, no. No, that'll explode it.
Okay. That's enough. Get over here.
Oh my gosh. I don't want these sprinklers. Oh my gosh. That was so stupid. I'm all wet now.
Yeah, I would do that, but I can't get back here today.
Well, I'm all wet. I think I'm getting all wet now, so like... Oh, I'm all wet!
Hold my video camera. I'm going to run through.
Oh, okay, okay.
Like a bull. Man, you have to...
Oh, alright. Okay, yeah, I'm still new at this.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
I choked every minute there, okay, yeah. No.
We're not even supposed to be doing this!
Hey, pick up your camera.
Can we? I think it max.
Pick your camera.
I can't. Just film it on me.
Do the camera.
Recording? Go get me a towel. Actually, the fans in the way. Go get me a towel.
Sprinklers. Oh, I'm all wet. Oh, okay.
Don't do that, but I just got this today.
Dude, my shirt looks awesome. No, my shirt didn't look like this, you know? Yeah, like that.
I have pot.
I love Ford.
Let's go be bozos.
Too late.
Yeah! I just bumped on the highway.
Dude, I'm standing in the middle of the street.
Hobo!
Dude, I'm standing in the middle of the street. I'm standing in the middle of the street.
No, you ready for this?
Woo!
Bad influence. We don't have any little kids friends.
Yeah, but,
Watching cable TV.
Cable. Happy 4th of July. This is a great 4th of July.
Why don't you show your face?
Because I can't. Ow, quit hitting me! What? I'm gonna kill her. But if there's ever a murder child going on air, that's gonna be me. You hear that? Huh? Dude, are we streaming?